And the other commitment was to build markets in municipalities which don't have modern markets. I wish to inform viewers that all urban areas have always had markets and they must have markets. There is no question about it. And these markets had been built in the 50s and 60s and had got dilapidated. So the ministry took it up and has been over the period, even before this manifesto term, invested in big modern urban markets. Now we have 19 in the towns, in the cities and municipalities out, but already, and then 2 in Kampala. But in this period, we were able to finish Kitugu Market, Masaka Market, and Kabare Market, but also we operationalized the other markets, Busia, Tororo, Soroti, Moroto, which had been completed around 20,000. Teke with 60 stores. There's a market shed in Batong, 80 stores. Ochomongin in Katakwi, 80, as you see the list. And this is not just to come and put a market anywhere. You go and rehabilitate and reconstruct an existing dilapidated market.
Also planning. But that is criminality, and the president has been very emphatic about it, that anyone caught playing around with PDM money, be it the SACCO chairmen who are civilians or any government official, they will have to be dealt with as criminals. But otherwise, per beneficiary. But remember, there were some who had gotten less before the presidential directive came out. We have over 1.8 million beneficiaries. So 1.8 million households out of the target of 3.6 million households, that's the 39%, have already gotten this amount of money. So our target of 3.5 million households, 1.8 has been reached, which is about 51%.
Of course, we are continuing for make sure that critical staff are appointed. I already mentioned that the number of adverts have gone up. We supported, as I mentioned, LC3 with motorcycles, but also LC1 and 2 with bicycles. And this was even related to climate smart transport mechanism, because bicycles are not dangerous today, are climate friendly. So at least that one we did, and it had been an agreement between the government and these leaders, digitally managing revenue generation and mobilization, and we have started seeing fruits by those local governments and many others those I have mentioned, and many others who have been able to buy some equipment to help them as they wait for the main support from government. Mr. Chairman, the other commitment was